Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So this first one so far seems pretty simple. We have some cardboard and they cut out some circles. Going in with some twine. I like how this woman has a scrunchie on her arm, reminding us that scrunchies are definitely back. So it looks like she's kind of fraying out that twine piece, combing it out, giving a little bit of texture to the piece, and then cutting around it to make sure it's nice and tidy. I'm not sure what this is here that she's using to spray it. I wonder if it's just hairspray. Okay, so I think I know what she's making. She's making like those decorative frayed out pieces that have like that bohemian feel to them. I don't know what these are actually called. Like I don't know the decorative name for them. But she only used one stand here, which is very interesting. But wow, she made that look so easy. And it looks very professional. Very cool. And then the next DIY involves a table tray. So they have some pieces of tile here that they cracked. And it looks like she's gonna glue this down. Oh, mosaic tray. Oh, that is beautiful. Wow. What an incredible DIY. Very cool idea. And she made it seem very easy as well. Now I know some of these DIYs, they do seem easy and then you try them and, sometimes it's a learning curve. It might take you a couple of chances or a couple of tries before you can actually get it done right. So this next one is actually pretty easy. You're just taking those disco mirror stickers and placing them on a champagne bottle. And this could easily act as a decorative piece, or it can be gifted. Where you're pretty much blinging out the champagne. I love this idea. Personally, I love champagne. I'm a champagne drinker, I love mimosas. This would be a really cute decorative piece for your bar cart. So she's tying a ribbon on here, just making it a little bit more pretty. I like the idea of doing a pink ribbon. I think that would look really pretty. Now, if you were going to be doing this for yourself, well, you can just use whatever color skin you want to. So the next DIY is going to be an upcycled vase. So they're using some recyclable products to do this one. looks like they're doing a design here. That's pretty cool. Definitely making it like a unique piece. Kind of has like an abstract vibe to it. Oh, I really like the little one. The larger one, not so much. I think it's the checker design there that's throwing me off, but the little one is really cute. And then we have a Halloween inspired wreath. So I do have a couple of videos kind of reacting to some Halloween decor DIYs, but I've just been kind of throwing the holidays into the mix, just for those who are into the holiday as much as I am. And now is the time is when you would want to start like getting some ideas and just kind of trying to decide what it is that you're going to do if you do like to decorate for this season. For me personally, I like to do something different every year, just kind of play around with some ideas. So she's making some little bats here, cute. And I'm not sure how she did this actual wreath part. I'm thinking you could take like a wired wreath that you get from the dollar store and a black boa and put it around there to create that like feathered look, and then add the bats in. Not sure if that's what she did. Oh, it looks like she might have bought it as is because I see the price tag there. And then she does add some lighting here to give it a little bit of a lighted effect. That's really cool. I love the way that this turned out. Very cool. And you know, Halloween decor can sometimes be quite hypnotic and magical. All right, so we move on to the next one. So we have some beads here. Some type of wall decor that they're repurposing. Now I'm thinking that she's making some type of table tray here. These little wooden pieces are acting as the legs. And then she does go in and paint that. Now, if this is going to be facing the bottom, you could go ahead and not waste paint on this part, but that's up to you, because no one's going to see the bottom. And there we go. Easy peasy tiered tray. Very easy project to do. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out today's DIYs. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.